Hello, my lovelies, and welcome to Graceful Style. I'm Bethan. Are you ready for a little style honesty? Today, I'm sharing 7 common style habits that can unintentionally add years to your look. But more importantly, I'm going to show you what to do instead to look instantly modern, fabulous, and chic. This isn't about being harsh. It's about building a wardrobe that makes you feel confident and vibrant. Let's get into it. Style. Misstep. Baggy, shapeless clothes. The first style habit that can add years is wearing clothes that are too big or too boxy. I see it all the time, women hiding behind tons of fabric, thinking it's flattering or that it hides their shape. The truth is, shapeless clothes erase your silhouette and can unintentionally hide your self-confidence as well. So, what's the graceful way? I encourage you to choose clothes that follow your natural lines. Remember, fitted does not mean tight. It means tailored to you. When you honor your shape, you look more youthful and more confident. My pro tip: tailored, not baggy. Style, misstep, closed necklines. The next thing to avoid is buttoned-up necklines on shirts, blouses, and jackets. A closed neckline shortens your neck and can draw attention to your chin and neck, areas we women over 50 want to elongate. In addition, when you button up all the way, the vibe can feel old-fashioned and a little stuck. So, what can you do instead? I suggest you try a V-neck, an open collar, or simply leave the top 1 or 2 buttons undone on your shirts and blouses. Opening up your neckline instantly creates a more relaxed and youthful vibe. My pro tip: open up your neckline, open up your self-confidence. Style, misstep. Head to toe, beige. Next, let's talk about the beige trap. Yes, neutrals are classic, but head to toe beige can make you disappear. Have you ever heard anyone say, "Wow, you look so much younger in beige"? Neither have I. So, what can you do instead? Add contrast near your face. For instance, a colourful scarf, a bold shirt, or a jacket in a contrasting colour. A simple black camisole under a beige blazer or a pair of black earrings can provide an instant pop. Without this contrast, the look can feel flat and aging. My pro tip: add contrast near your face. Colour brings you to life. Style. Misstep, clumpy shoes. Next, let's talk about shoes. Comfort is non-negotiable. I agree with you, you don't have to suffer to be stylish. But those clunky, overly sensible shoes can weigh down your entire look. Here's the truth: you can have both comfort and style. So, what can you do instead? Look for elegant flats, sleek sneakers, or stylish low-heeled boots. Say no to anything too wide, chunky, or heavy-looking. A streamlined shoe choice can make your legs look longer and your entire silhouette look more graceful. My pro tip: you can have comfort and style. Style. Misstep. Outdated prints. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Be mindful of old-fashioned prints. Some traditional florals, paisleys, or patterns with a lot of beige and brown can unintentionally feel outdated, not youthful. So, what can you do instead? Opt for simple, modern prints. Choose designs that are fresh and clean, often in just 2 colours. Stripes, graphic prints, or even a modern floral with a white or vibrant background are great choices. My pro tip: choose fresh, simple, and modern prints to look youthful. Style. Misstep. No tucking. The next habit is leaving your top untucked and hanging over your pants or skirts. When you do this, your top can end right at your widest part, highlighting your midsection. It can also make your silhouette look a little stuck in the past. So what can you do instead? It's a simple fix. Try a front tuck, where you just tuck the front of your top into the waistband. You can also tuck your entire top in and add a beautiful belt to define your waist. This creates a much more modern and flattering effect. My pro tip: tucking in your top can define your waist and create a more youthful look. Style: misstep, an outdated hairstyle. Finally, a hairstyle stuck in a time warp can be very aging. As we get older, our faces change, our hair changes, and so should our hairstyle. What worked for you in your 30s may not be the most flattering style for you now. So, what can you do instead? Try a shorter cut, a new layered style, or even just update your colour. A modern hairstyle is one of the quickest ways to look younger and more vibrant. My pro tip: let your hairstyle evolve with you. I hope you enjoyed this little dose of style honesty. Remember, it's not about being trendy, it's about dressing with intention and grace. If you want to dive deeper into how to fix your style mistakes, watch this video here on screen now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Graceful